You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining me tonight is Nupur Sharma, national spokesperson of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawalla, lawyer, Smita Prakash, editor of ANI, MC Abbas, political analyst, Ashutosh Mishra, senior journalist. Let me get in MC Abbas. MC Abbas, जब जमियात उल उलेमा आता है और कहता है हम लीगल एड प्रोवाइड करेंगे उन दो संदिग्ध लोगों को जो अभी स्लीपर टेरर सेल्स की वजह से अरेस्ट हुए हैं. Now, I don't have a problem with legal aid being given to under trials. There's no problem. But when you couple this with the charge of polarization before elections, are you saying terror attacks will take a pause because there are elections in a state and therefore no action should be taken? Number one. Number two, since when have we started associating any religion with a terror activity? If there was a terror activity, whoever be the person, should action not be taken against him or her? And number three, I want to ask you, before anybody can decide whether these people are guilty of the crimes that they have been accused of, at a time when investigations are on, to begin to try and poke holes in the theories, in the investigations of the police, is this the way we are going to deal with national security of this country? MC Abbas, my question to you is as a responsible citizen, not a neta.
Allow me to answer as a responsible citizen, a Gandhian citizen. I'm
not carrying an AK-47 or a missile. I'm an absolute Gandhian, and ahimsa is what I preach. So straight getting to the point, anybody who's relegating any particular religion is absolutely wrong. It is your show, Navika ji, and your testimony to the fact I have come and condemned those who call Islamic terror or a Hindutva terror. I believe no religion whatsoever. The only religion of a terrorist is terrorism. आतंकवादियों का कोई मजहब नहीं होता. सिर्फ और सिर्फ आतंकवादियों का मजहब सिर्फ आतंकवाद है. Now to those who are piggybacking that, okay, UP elections are coming up, 6 to 8 months to go. So Yogi ji is coming out with this blasphemy of sorts. I'd like to put this very clear out there that not just that, Navika ji, let me tell you, be it a population control bill, be it a uniform civil code, forced conversion, you know, all of this coming through. Also the Love Jihad Yatra to Namkaran Yatra. Yogi ji has mastered this art. I think he should take a leaf from the book of Pushkar Singh Dhami, his junior, the chief minister of Uttarakhand, who very responsibly, as the young dynamic chief minister, stalled the Kanwad Yatra. Are Yogi ji, kuch to seekhiye Dhami ji se. The Supreme Court had to intervene and wrap the Uttar Pradesh government and tell them this is absolutely irresponsible when the dead bodies are flowing across the Ganges River. Is this what Yogi ji proves? The fact of the matter is, Yogi ji, aapki
so are you saying terror attack, terror investigation should be on a slowdown because elections are around the corner? I'm asking you a simple question. Lecture क्यों दे रहे मेरे भाई? सिर्फ ये बता दीजिए कि terror investigation बंद कर दे क्या?
नाविका जी, नाविका जी 10 सेकंड में समाप्त करता हूँ. नहीं, मेरी प्यारी बड़ी बहन, लेक्चर नहीं दे रहा हूँ. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि योगी जी की गद्दी खतरे में है. जो मयूर प्रसाद शर्मा ने जो कहा था, उनकी सीट 100% नहीं है. तो ये सब खेल रहे हैं योगी जी. And I truly believe, yes, investigation must place. There must be a fast track court on this. And those who are terrorists, guilty, irrespective of the community, they must be hanged just like Ajmal Kasab. And that is what I truly believe.
So legal aid and polarization charge is wrong. Will you say that the polarization charge on this score against Yogi Adityanath is wrong? Will you say that? Yes or no?
I will precisely tell you what, Navika ji. If a Pragya Singh Thakur, Malegaon blast terror accused can be provided with legal aid, so can these two terror accused as well. So where is the point of polarizing here? This is how to clean slate.